Alright guys, so I've already done 2 videos on this chainsaw. This chainsaw was around $100, and there'll be a link in the description where you can get it. Before you first start this thing, you need to make sure, this is the very first start, it's never been started. You need to make sure that your fuel to oil is on a 20-to-1 ratio. Right there's where you put your fuel in at. And then your bar and chain oil goes right there. So again, make sure your fuel is 20-to-1. That's going to be for the first gallon of fuel. After the first gallon of fuel, then you're going to mix it 25-to-1. So to get this thing started, we're going to flip. This is our on-off switch. We're going to flip it up to on. We're going to pull out the choke till it clicks, and then we're going to push this primer button right here 10 times. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That makes number 10. All right, now I'll show you a video of me pulling it to start. Just a second. Once you've pushed your primer button, you got your choke pulled out and your switch flipped on. Now you set your foot on the handle and you're going to pull it until you hear it fire. I've also locked the brake so that the chain won't be spinning. But you're going to pull it till you hear it fire. So here we go. Right there, you heard that fire. Now we're going to push our choke in. Here's our choke. We're going to push it in. Now, as soon as this thing starts up, you're going to pick it up and you're going to start revving the trigger until it warms up and smooths out. And then whenever you're done, you just flip that switch off. That's your on-off switch. So I've got a tree branch to cut up, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this thing, and I'll let you know how it does. All right guys, so I got to cut that piece up a little bit more, so I want to show you how well this thing works. I love it so far. So yeah, works freaking awesome.